Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to put medium-length hair in a claw clip. First, ensure your hair is either dry or just slightly damp, as this provides the best grip for the clip. Take a moment to detangle your hair completely, removing any knots or snags. This step is crucial for a smooth and comfortable hold. Also, select a claw clip that measures at least 3 to 4 inches in length to accommodate your medium hair. Now let's try the classic twist. Gather all your hair as if you're making a low or mid ponytail. Then, begin twisting this ponytail upwards, guiding it towards the crown of your head. Once twisted, fold the entire length of the twisted hair down, pressing it flat against your scalp. This creates a secure base for the clip. With your hair twisted and folded, it's time to secure it. Open your claw clip wide using one hand. Carefully scoop up the folded hair, making sure to also grab a small section of the hair closest to your scalp. This ensures a much firmer hold. Close the clip firmly over both the folded hair and the scalp hair, securing everything in place for a lasting style. For a quick half-up style, simply gather the top half of your hair, twist it once or twice, and secure it with a smaller 2-inch claw clip at the back of your head. If you prefer a messy bun look, gather all your hair, loosely twist it, and then clip it higher on your head, allowing some ends to playfully fall out. Experiment with placement for your perfect look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.